Hello guys, welcome to another video. Happy Veterans Day. It's Veterans Day today.
Wave.
Here we go. Intermodal. If you like our videos, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe. Today we just uploaded a YouTube short, our first 2 YouTube shorts. So yeah. So here we are, a train coming up the hill. There's an abandoned track down that way. So, and we like to go there sometimes, so we don't usually have luck. So, welcome to another video of trains. If you're wondering, this is JC Fletch. My dad's down there, down by the car. So, the electric bells are on this crossing. We're just at, what was it called again, Daddy? What was it called again, that other road we were at?
Point Prairie.
So, we are just at Point Prairie. We were at Point Prairie. So, these are all good spots to go into rail fanning. Between St. Charles and Warrenton, we have good Norfolk Southern trains that go through here. We have mixed freight intermodal, which is this intermodal, mixed freight intermodal, auto rack, intermodal and auto rack. We have grain trains. Yeah, and that's what we usually get coming through here. Not too interesting, but we do got trains that come through here. Ooh, I feel the ground rumble. And it's cold here today, too. It's cold right now. Oh, there's the end. It's a short one. End of train device. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Wave. Bye.
Bye-bye.